Welcome to Beginner's Guide to SOLIDWORKS Design Table Drawings lesson. With the Screw Design Table part, select New Document, Make Drawing from Part. Select the A landscape with sheet format and click OK. Add a front, right and isometric views. Set the front view to the 1/4 by 1/2 inch configuration. Change the isometric views scale to 2:1 and shade it with edges. Use model items to import the dimensions. And add the center line as shown. Arrange the dimensions as needed. Add a chamfer dimension in the front view. Edit the sheet format. Change the note's format and add a new note as indicated. Exit the sheet format when finished. Select the front view and click on the menu Insert, Tables, Design Table. Locate the design table in the sheet and resize it as needed. In the Hide Show command, display the dimensions names. Select the hex drive dimension and change its format to display as a fraction in the dimensions properties. Save the drawing and close the file.